And now we'll have a look at both the infinitive and the gerund. The infinitive is the word to followed by the base form of the verb. We'll typically use it after a verb, specifically verbs like want or hope. We can make statements like, I want to go to the beach. We also have our gerund. Our gerund is a verb followed by ing, but specifically used as a noun within the sentence. We have a verb plus a gerund. I enjoy playing poker. The main verb is enjoy, and although playing looks as if it's a verb, it's actually used as the noun within the sentence. We also can use it with a preposition followed by a gerund. How about going to the beach? We could also put it in the front of a sentence. Smoking is bad for you. Again, the verb plus ing can act as two things within the sentence. We've got the gerund, otherwise the noun in the sentence. Smoking is bad for you. You've also got the verb plus ing in the present participle form, wherein it's the main verb of the sentence. An example thereof would be, I'm not smoking.